may darating na bagong engineer. Ito ang magiging problema natin ngayon kasi etong mga tao ko na ito, matagal ko na talagang kasama yan sila. Kaya kung may darating man na bagong engineer, hindi tayo papayag. So, mga kagago, ang video ito, kung sakali nagustuhan nyo, huwag nyo kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button at pindutin ang notification bell para every time may mga bago tayong video, updated kayo sa mga bago nating upload. Para ano pang hinihintay natin, panoorin ang video! Ang may-ari nito, ito talaga. Biruin mo, kumuha pa ng international engineer. Bakit? Wala ba silang tiwala sa akin? Oy, ayan na nga. Naku po, may parating na parating na yung bagong engineer. Naku, mukhang Bombay pa yata yan. Where's my house? Engineer Makalimot.
Over there, sir.
Okay. Huwag mong sabihin na baka mabuging tayo na kung Bisayang engineer, baking engineer Bisaya, pero international ang pakilala natin
Sige.
Where's my building, my project?
Here.
Where? Oh no.
No.
It's a beautiful glass. Where, installer. Ano pala Tagalog ng install?
Kabit.
Magkabit ng salamin?
Oo, kabit.
Kabit salamin. Okay. I follow. Come.
I will follow you. You go first.
Come. Beautiful place, ha? Beautiful place. Talagang malupit talaga. May assistant pa, may mukhang ganda-ganda ng Ano kaya yan? Bagong engineer natin. Huwag kayo papayag, ha? Kasi, grabe, may bago nga. Paano kaya to? Anong gagawin ko ya? I follow. Where's my... Yeah. Okay. You're old engineer? Well, go. I'm a new engineer. Sir, paano yung mga huwag tayo papayag, ha? Very nice. So many people worker inside. Okay, I see
The finished product.
Finished product. Where? It's bad. Very rock this door. Why? Tinan mo. Pati yung pintuan, bad. Very rock this door. Why? Very rock. We cannot finish now? Sukat. Huwag kang ingay, Sukat. Okay. What's the measurement under the
5 feet?
floor?
Only 5 feet, sir.
5 feet.
Yeah. The door is 5 feet.
5 feet.
Height.
Start the floor above.
Yeah, 5 feet.
Okay.
It's very small.
Okay.
Short.
No, it's not wrong. It's not
Sir, are you okay?
Not standard size.
Yeah.
Pati yung pintuan, Ay, hindi naman itong nito. Hindi itong engineer. Uy! Sinusukat ko. Sinusukat. Marunong ba talaga yun? Assistant pa. Ang ganda-ganda ng assistant niya, 90. Wrong. 90. You look at the measurement, 90. Right?
Yeah, 3 feet.
Repeat. Okay.
3 feet and 5.
Wait. No. And it's not good like this. No. Ano yung sabihin nun? Yung hindi, maganda? Not good. About that. About this. Why black? Black color. No. I don't like this. See this?
Yeah.
My assistant.
Very dirty. Very dirty and rough.
Rough?
Yeah.
Okay. I can make sure it's...
It's my own opinion.
What use this? What?
I think it's for,
Aircon.
Aircon. Put the aircon there.
Aircon. Okay, okay. I can measure this aircon. 14. 14? 14 ba yun? 14? Tama ba yun? Tama?
14 inches, sir?
14 inches? 14 inches?
Yes, sir.
Ito ba yun eh?
Oh.
This. Wide. 18, ano to? 18 inches ba?
Ano, hindi ka po marunong magbasa ng number? Ano yan, sir?
Engineer ako, engineer. Nakalimutan ko.
18 po yan. 18 po.
Nag-graduate ako. Matagal na.
Matagal na.
Oo, kasi matagal na. Almost, kaya nakalimutan ko na basta ng number.
19.
Okay. I will go back to, go there, kitchen. Kitchen. Okay, where is kitchen?
First,
Dining room?
No.
Ano ba?
first room.
First room.
Yeah.
Your first room. Okay. I can check it. I can check the room. I can check the tent. Wow, very nice. What is this?
Door
Door.
to the bathroom.
After bathroom. I can check. I can be sure.
Not sure it.
27. Ano sukat yun? 27. 20 meter yun?
Yeah. Oo.
Oh, ganun pala yun. Ay, baka may makarinig sa atin.
Kaya kailan po na lang po boses natin nabubulungan ng tao para di tayo malata.
Oo. Hindi ilaw. Oh, what is this? What hole? What is my hole?
Screw. Black screw.
Black screw. Not finish.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, never mind. I can go the
Other side.
Other side. I'll go kitchen. Go. I lock the kitchen. Where's this? Room. Where's the kitchen?
There.
Where's the kitchen? There, kitchen. Hey, what this?
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Bathroom po yan. Bathroom.
Bathroom. Ano ibig sabihin ng bathroom?
CR.
CR? Yun pala yung bathroom, CR. I can look at the CR. Bathroom. Okay. Very nice. Good. Anong tawag dito?
Tubo. Pipe. PVC pipe.
Right, PVC pipe.
PR. They use PPR.
PPR. Okay. We can go. I look the other side. Okay. What is this? Okay. What's this? Dito talaga, nakikialam na talaga yung na yan. Yung bago engineer na yan. Ikaw. Nakikialam talaga, Lahat dito, pumunta pa talaga, Pumapapil talaga.
Kitchen sink.
Kitchen sink.
Lababo.
Okay. I can level. Okay, no good. It's not finished. Not yet. Okay.
Oh, sir, be careful. The door is very narrow.
Okay. Sir, gentlemen, I'm a new engineer. Engineer Makalimot. From international ako, Ay, no.
No Tagalog, sir.
Tagalog.
English.
Speaking Tagalog. English speaking only. Okay. There's my foreman. Foreman, you're very good, You're very nice, Thank you, sir. Okay. So, I give you, merinda.
Linda, snack time.
Okay. I give you, engineer. Foreman, for you 100.
Thank you.
Foreman. What's your position?
Scatter, helper.
Oh, you 100.
Professional scatter.
Namimigay pa ng tag-100.
Bigyan ng sandaan, hindi nagkustanta.
Grabe. Hoy, namimigay kayo tag-100 na. Talagang sumisip-sip ko yung mga tao ko yan, Bakit binibigyan man tag-100 yan? Grabe talaga. Nagpapalakas yung bago engineer na yun,
Professional scatter.
About this,
This one
for
is
me. What's your position, sir?
Helper.
professional painter.
Painter, you're painter.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, may yung 100.
The professional welder.
Welder, welder.
Yes, sir.
Welder man.
Oh, very good. Very good man. Good man.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You say a new engineer. Ha? Ayos.
Ako, sir.
Okay.
It's too late.
Okay, good
We can
job.
go home na.
Good job.
Sir, we can
We
go home na.
We'll
We can
go
go
home.
home na because the rain is falling down.
Okay. We'll go home now. Oh. Galing kaya yung engineer na yun? Ha?
Di siguro, sir.
Eh bakit yung mga sinukat niya yung ano lahat to, pati pinto sinukat oh. Dito oh. Oh. Grabe. Sinusukat yung pati aircon, pati yung talagang ano, namigay pa 100 yung engineer na yun eh.
Tag-isandaan.
Oo. Talaga naman. Binigyan binigyan kayo? Grabe yung engineer na yan. Di bali, tatasan ko yung ano, yung ano ni engineer na yun, bago eh, papalakas eh. Oo. Grabe naman yun.
Bagong buhay ka na.
Bago ng game lang po. Bagong game lang.
O sige, huwag tayo papayag talaga yung engineer na yan. Hindi pwedeng makapasok dito sa project ko na ito. Kasi, alam mo naman yung project na to, talagang matagal ko ng ano to, makatapos bigla siya papasok dito. Hindi ako papayag talaga. Hindi pa unong engineer na yun. Hindi nga marunong magsukat. May taga-sukat pa yung ano, yung assistant niya, taga-sukat. Wala. Hindi talaga ubra sa akin engineer na yan. Wala yan. Sige na. Bye-bye. Bago nyo tapusin ang video ito, huwag nyo kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button at i-click ang notification bell para every time may mga bago tayong video updated ka sa Gagulot TV.